Numbers, statistics, analytics, reports, they're not generally viewed as the most fun aspects of running a business. Sorry if you're a die-hard number cruncher or analytical whiz, it's just not for all of us. Inefficiencies in your business, regardless of size, need to be identified. And this is where data analysis is invaluable. But how are you collecting and analyzing it? Poring over spreadsheets, extensive audits, reviewing reports, overtime in the office? How often are you able to take care of this? Are you lacking a proper system altogether? With EMDECS, we can help. Our all-in-one management system involves technicians, part and shop managers, drivers, back office personnel, and anyone else. And we store every last piece of information they input to the system. With a few simple steps, run or schedule regular reports to assess nearly every aspect of your operation. Let us take care of the heavy lifting. Make data collection and analysis a background operation so you can focus on what's important not only inside the business, but outside as well. For more information about all the ways EMDECS can help you find better efficiency at every level of your operation, visit www.brightorder.com.